we continue. So I will have the video in Haitian Creole because my goal is really to share also to to everyone in the world, but also directly to Haiti, to Haitians, so they can understand. Even they are the most stubborn people. My people are very stubborn, but I love them. So what I want to say, Haiti needs God, not the West. So what I truly believe, Haitian leaders must turn to God instead of begging the Western nations, of complaining. Only God can fix Haiti. The word God says in 2 Chronicles 7:14, if my people who are called by my name will humble themselves and pray and seek my face and turn from the wicked ways, then will I hear from heaven and will forgive the sin and will heal the land. When a nation has godly leaders, God Himself becomes the nation's protection and guidance. But when a nation turns away from Him by practicing witchcraft and calling it culture, He opens doors to natural disasters, economic collapse, and even civil war. We are dealing with that in Haiti, including a lot of countries in Africa, such as Congo, which is the richest country in the world. Congo is the richest country in the world, but they're still dealing with that. God is, and Haiti is the richest country in the Caribbean, but guess what? We are the poorest. God is the one who gives wisdoms, courage, and leadership. The same way He chose Moses to deliver His people, it's time for Haiti to return to the Lord in repentance and prayer. Only then will true healing and restoration begin. Yes. So I'm the type of person, whatever going on in my life, I put my knees down, I think, and I pray. And when you pray, God listens to prayer. The same way you can apply it individually, you can also apply it politically for a nation, for everything in life. Because trust me, you weren't born here by a power and nothing happened, and people who believes in science just think it's science. No, there's a higher God who is there. And when you call on Him, when you humble yourself, you truly honest with Him, you ask for forgiveness, repentance, He will come to you and He will heal you, He will provide for you. And the same thing applies for nation. And I hate being a victim. Even you are a victim. God doesn't create victim. So you're going to serve because God wants to clean you and make you smarter, stronger, so you can be a testimony for others. There's no testimony without test. It's time for us to beg on our knees to God who created Haiti. He's the creator of Haiti. He's the creator of Haitians, not the Western. It's time for